Okay, so this is our Amatrol. This is an Amatrol conveyor belt system. It allows us to see the industrial automated systems that you'll see in factories, power plants, potato distributors, things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. That supplies power to everything. And then I start with PLC 3. Turn this on. Wait until the LED lights come on. Okay, that's good. For some reason, I always have to go to on, then auto, on at PLC 2. See if the lights come on. Okay, PLC 1 on. Okay, so we come over here to the monitor. So I have the file open. To open the Pegasus robot file, you go to the file, click on Tabletop Smart Factory 1 PRG. Then you gotta hit enable, home. While it's homing, the robot is reacting to different sensors. It's going to take a few seconds. Okay, now that it's done, gotta make sure I hit play. Okay, see the lines moving. Now I come over here, right over here. So at PLC 1, I hit the green button, which should mean that this vacuum right here should pick up the puck. Now I hit the black button. It should extend. After I hit the green button, which the wheel is now calibrating it. Okay, it drops it. Now the green button should be on auto, it's not working. I'll move that over there. That should not be there. Okay. So for what me and my classmate figured out, there's an issue with the sensor here. There's an issue with the sensor here. So we'll leave that for the next project leads to figure out.